to Saturday in the Studio with Nicole. Today we are here for another unboxing, and I just recently signed up for Knit Picks. This one came about a week ago, not long after I did my last unboxing. I think it was on the Monday or Tuesday. No, actually it was 2 weeks ago it came, and it was after I did a diamond painting unboxing, and I completely forgot that I had it. So I'm going to do the unboxing today. I was rummaging around where I had all my fabric and everything that come in from like for supplies and stuff like that, and it was underneath that, so I forgot all about it. This is obviously an indication that I purchased way too much, but no, it's just, I mean, knitting's not really on my radar at the moment, so I've probably just seen it and gone, oh, it's okay, I'll get to that later. So it is from Knit Picks. It is the club, and I joined the sock club, I believe. So we'll soon find out. I'm sure it's going to tell me in here. Ooh. All right, so now, to be honest, I cannot remember when I ordered this. This was just before Christmas, because I get Knit Crate as well, and I haven't actually had, I only got 2 Knit Crates so far, so I should have one coming soon. So this one I ordered just before Christmas, and it came in about 4 weeks. I think it was the end of November, so it was about 4 or 5 weeks, maybe 6 weeks. I'm just trying to think. I'll have to look that up, and I'll put that in the description if I can find where it is in my PayPal. I'll put it down in the description of how long it took to get to me. So I think I missed out on the December box, and this may be the January, or I missed out on the November and this is the December box. So anyway, I will leave all the information down below of where I got it from and all the rest of it, but you can see here it is Knit Picks. It says welcome to the family. It's all hand picked. Learn more about your box and see all available boxes online. So they have stuff that you can go back and have a look at. So this one has come with some gorgeous fabrics. I'm just looking at them now, and I'm just like, not fabrics, yarn, and we've got fingering weight in there, and we've also, yep, they're all fingering weight. All right, so we have a couple of projects here. So it's come with the shorty socks, and then it's just got the instructions on how to do them. So that's what they look like, and there they are again. So they're just like little ankle socks, so they're probably more up my alley. They look to have like a slip stitches and stuff in them, garter stitch, yep, slip knits stitches in them. So yeah, so they might be ones that I'll hold off on a little while. I'll just like to make a normal pair of socks first. But the ones that we're using for this one is the Alpaca Superwash. Is that it? Yep, the Eco Superwash. So this is Alpaca. And yeah, so that's it feels really soft. It's, yeah, it is I've felt alpaca before, but this one is a Superwash Fine Highland Alpaca 30%, 70% and 30% nylon. Okay, so one hank will do that. And then we have these cute little mittens. Now, I'm not a fan of mittens, but I know that my girls don't mind them. So, and you know, at the end of the day, I might be able to use them for when I'm exercising and walking in winter. Like, yes, I live in Queensland, and yes, it gets incredibly hot here, but where I live actually gets incredibly cold. We get below 0 here, and whatnot. So this one is using baby alpaca, and it is in these colorways. So we have Lurex or Lurex, Sapphire, Sky, and Whirlpool, and Pennyroyal. Okay, so which one is which? Can't tell. Okay, so these ones are actually Superfine Merino Wool is 80%, and then we've got 10% cashmere and 10% nylon in these ones. They're all exactly the same. Does it have the numbers? Let me just have a look. They're made in Peru, but they feel beautiful, like absolutely beautiful. But yeah, that's what's come, and I'm really like this one here. What a gorgeous color. It's like a mottled blue. I don't know if you can see that, but oh, that's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it. And this purple, do they know me or what? That's gorgeous too. Absolutely love it. Ooh, so I've never made mittens before, so this is going to be interesting. So it doesn't tell me much there, but it gives you the pattern. It basically just looks like it's this one is like a little bit advanced for me. I thought I clicked that I was a beginner, but maybe that was Knit Crate that I was thinking of. It gives you all the information and what you need to make the patterns and all the rest of it. I'm going to say that these aren't going to be made this year. So there's another picture of them. You can see the cuff on them is really good as well. It has, again, it has slip stitches in it. It's got ribbing, like ribbing stockinette. And basically it looks like that it comes with all the abbreviations as well, which is really good. Like a lot of patterns that you get that I've seen have it like they come in a book, so they've got it all at the front, but some of them they just tell you what to do and they don't have these abbreviations, so that's really good. I'm really happy with that. And this is my first box, so this is me going, okay, is this something that I want to continue getting or anything like that? I haven't signed up for a subscription. I just got this box, and I think I will continue to get it. I will ponder that a little bit more, but you'll know because I'll do some unboxings and stuff like that. So I'm pretty happy with like the booklets and everything that it comes with. The wool is all packed really nicely. Doesn't have any extra gadgets or anything like that in it, like the Knit Crate one usually comes with some sort of little gadget and whatnot. It was nicely packed. I like how they put the patterns in and cover up the wool, so that makes it nice and secure and they're not flopping around everywhere. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that box. So I'm thinking that I might get a couple more. I don't think I would get it all the time. I'm going to go in and have a look and see what February's box is. And I might just get them every second month because I'm not a big knitter, but I really want to, that's one of my goals this year, is to learn how to make garments and stuff like that. These ones are probably a little bit more advanced than where I'm at right now, but it's good to have them there. And I will just leave this in the box, and I've got a cupboard there, and I will put them in there, and then I can go to them as I need to. I'm at the moment, I'm practicing my tension and everything like that, so hopefully I'll be able to start on these sooner rather than later. Maybe not this year, but definitely next year. All right, so that is the Knit Picks club, and basically club box, Learn to Knit. So it is the Learn to Knit one. So basically, yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing what else I can get from them, and as I said, when they come in, I'll share them with you. I'm pretty sure this took about 6 to 7 weeks to get to me. So as I said, if I can find that information in my PayPal, I will link that up down below and give you all that information. All right, so if you like this video today, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, the little bell icon beside it, and then that way you won't miss out on any future posts. As always, have a great day, and I will see you all again next week for another unboxing. I don't know what's going to come in the mail, but I'm guessing we'll find out together. Have a great week, everybody, and I'll see you all then. Bye.